Alright, so I got a new quad here, 2006 LT Z400. Just got it the other day and I haven't stopped riding it. Picked it up on Craigslist, so I didn't buy it from a dealer or anything. It's got some aftermarket parts, it's got a Bling Star rear grab bar. It's got a Yoshimura full exhaust. I think it's like part 2 or stage 2 or something like that. It's got AC aluminum Nerf bars. It has a TAG metals front bumper. I don't know. It has a ProTech graphics kit, and it has a K&N high flow air filter. So yeah, that's it. I guess the engine's completely stock, besides the air filter and the yoshimura pipe that I'll start it up for you. Yeah. So yeah. This is it, just got it. So there will be more videos of it in the future. So we'll see ya.